As the final weeks of December quietly slipped away, anticipation around DJI's long-rumored 360-degree FPV drone reached a boiling point. For months, leaks pointed to a next-generation drone, often referred to as the DJI Avata 360, that could fundamentally change aerial content creation. And yet, DJI went completely silent. Historically, DJI follows a very predictable launch pattern: early regulatory filings, box leaks, controlled renders, and then a teaser roughly 1 week before launch. December dates like the 16th or 18th looked perfect on paper, but they came and went with nothing. That's when industry insiders began to realize something had changed. According to sources in Shenzhen, DJI strategically delayed the Avata 360 launch, not because of hardware issues, but because competition in the 360-degree drone space suddenly intensified. Earlier this year, Anti-Gravity shook the industry by claiming the world's first true 360-degree aerial camera drone. That announcement forced DJI to respond quietly, allowing limited leaks of its own nearly finalized drone to surface, just enough to cool the hype. Anti-Gravity rushed its timeline, releasing the A1 in early December. Now that real-world reviews are rolling in, DJI appears ready to strike back. And that's where things get interesting. The DJI Avata 360 is now confirmed, with official specs pointing toward a drone designed to merge FPV flight with true 360-degree capture. We're talking full spherical video, advanced stabilization, horizon leveling, AI tracking, and deep post-production flexibility, features aimed squarely at creators, filmmakers, and FPV pilots. Battery life, image quality, and software integration are expected to be DJI's biggest advantages. DJI isn't just trying to be first, they're trying to be best. Current launch expectations now point to January 2026, with potential announcement dates around mid-January if DJI follows its traditional playbook. Until teasers drop, timelines remain unofficial, but the pieces are clearly falling into place. Meanwhile, DJI's handheld camera division tells a very different story. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has already received FCC approval, clearing one of the biggest regulatory hurdles. Reports suggest 2 versions are in development: a standard Pocket 4 and a higher-end Pocket 4 Pro, possibly featuring a second camera module for expanded creative options. The standard Pocket 4 is still on track for an early 2026 release, while the Pro model appears delayed into late spring or summer. All of this is happening alongside widespread confusion about DJI and FCC regulations, especially in the US. Despite alarming headlines, no existing DJI drone is being banned, disabled, or grounded. All current models remain legal to buy, fly, and register. So while DJI faces growing competition and regulatory pressure, one thing is clear. The DJI Avata 360 is real, it's coming soon, and DJI is positioning it to redefine what FPV and 360-degree aerial filmmaking can be. Now the only question is, was the wait worth it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.